Okay guys, so now you have bought a new car and now you are excited about it, and now you want to keep your car nice and clean and sparkling so that everybody will comment on it, and you start to wash your car every single day. But do you think that washing your car every single day will keep your car in good condition? Just think about it again guys, because it can cost you a big time. Guys, this is a question of every single car owner. Should I wash my car every single day? Should I wash my car every week? Or should I wash my car every month? Or how often should I wash it? Now there are various factors on how often you should wash your car. But before that, let's see why it is important to wash your car in the first place. So first of all guys, washing your car at the right intervals and with the right equipments, it will protect your car paint for a long time. Secondly guys, it will give your car rust protection, it will stop corrosion from happening, and thirdly guys, it will maintain your car resale value. So there are lots of benefits of keeping your vehicle clean guys, believe me. But there are certain things that you should take care of, which if you don't take care of, can ruin your entire vehicle. So next, let's see what are the factors on which it depends how often you should wash your car. And the first factor is guys, is the climate. If you are driving your car in the rainy season, or if you are driving your car in the summer season, or if you are driving your car in the winter season, all three seasons differ guys. So your car washing duration also differs. Then the second factor is guys, your location. If you are staying very close to the coastline, and if the roads where you are driving your car are salty roads, and all the time if your car is exposed to salty air, then you will have to wash your car more often guys. Now how often you should wash your car, I will tell you further in this video, so don't worry about it, keep watching. First I will only tell you the factors, and then I will tell you guys how often you should wash your car, so don't worry about it. Then the third factor is guys, if you are keeping your car in a garage, or if you are keeping it under a tree where birds sit and they poop on your car, then obviously you will have to wash your car more often than the car which you have kept in the garage. And the fourth factor is guys, how often do you use your car? Do you take your car every day for work? Do you commute with it? Or do you use it only on the weekends? So if you use your car only in the weekends, then you will have to wash it less if you compare it with a car which you take every day and commute. Now when you wash your car guys, there is one important thing that you will have to take care of, and you will have to be very cautious about it. You can't fool around with this point guys, and that is, always when you are washing your car, just check what type of water you are using to wash your car, because you should not wash your car with salty water. Now some washing stations guys, they use salty water to wash the cars, and if you use salty water to wash your cars, and if you wash your car more often, then guys what will happen is your car will start to rust very fast, even if it is a new car, because the salty water helps the rust to come quickly. So if you are living on a coastline where there is salt all around you, even the air is filled with salt, and now on top of that you are washing your vehicle with salty water, just imagine how quickly your car will start to rust guys. In a very short while, without even you knowing, you will notice that there is rust on your car. And those type of cars, believe me guys, even the auto body shops don't like to work on them, because they know they have to do too much of patchwork, which will take too much of their time, and they can't make that paint job profitable. That is the reason why they don't want to work on those type of cars which are fully rusted because of salty water. So if you are washing your car at home, or if you are taking it to a washing station, make sure check their water first. Check if they are using fresh water or salty water. If they are using salty water, then change the washing station. Even check the water which you use in your house guys. If the water which you are using is salty water, then avoid washing your vehicle with that. Try to use fresh clean water guys. Once you take care of this problem, which is the main problem, then we'll move on to the next thing, and that is how often you should wash your car with fresh water. The salty water doesn't even come in the equation guys. Now when I talk about washing guys, I'm talking about washing your entire car from the exterior and from underneath. The interior you can vacuum and clean by yourself how many times you want, because it doesn't matter guys, because your upholstery will get dirty. Sand and mud will come inside your car, so you can vacuum it as it gets dirty. So that is totally up to you. but washing your car from exterior and from underneath is what I am talking about here. So if it is the rainy season, then I recommend you to wash your car every single month, and in the summer season you can wash your car every 2 months. In the winter season also you can wash your car in 2 to 3 months. Our winter is not that cold, guys. We don't get snow here, but if it is snowing, it is a different case. Then guys, if you are staying close to the coastline, if your air is salty, if the place around you is salty, then guys, I recommend you to wash your car every single week, and that too with fresh clean water. If you do a mistake by washing your car with salty water, and if you are staying on the coastline and you are driving on the salty roads, then your car is not going to last long, guys. Please put that in your head. And if you are not staying close to the coastline, then you don't have to wash your car every single week. You can wash your car in 2 months or so. Now if you are keeping your car in a garage, then it's okay if you wash your car after 2 months. But if you are keeping your car under a tree where the bird poop and the leaves of the tree fall on your car and goes inside a drain, then you will have to wash your car every single week, guys. You will have to maintain it more, because that bird poop you can't keep for too long on your car, otherwise it will fade your paint and you will have a tough time bringing the shine back. And guys, if you are using your car every single day to commute, then I recommend to wash it every month. But if you are only using it on the weekends, then you can wash it every 2 months. Now this washing which I have spoke about is to take your car to a washing station and cleaning it on the exterior and from underneath. But if you are washing your car at home, then you can wash it as it gets dirty only on the exterior, because from underneath you cannot wash it that much. But if you are washing at home, then you will have to be extremely careful, guys. First of all, you should be using fresh water. That is the number one concern. Then you should be using proper car shampoo to wash your car. Don't use detergents or dishwash soap to wash your car. They will fade your car very fast because they are very strong chemicals, guys. And suddenly you will notice that there is no more shine on your car. So never use detergents or dishwash soap. Only use car washing shampoos to wash your car. Use proper microfiber cloth, and every 4 months you can wax your car. When you wax your car every 4 months, guys, it will keep your paint intact, and the water will also not stay on the surface for too long, which is very good for your car, because this wax creates a layer like thing on your car surface which will protect your paint and it will avoid rusting as well. So guys, I'm hoping that I have answered all your questions in this video. If I missed out on anything, then see that you comment below this video and let me know, and we'll discuss about it in some other video. So guys, I'm hoping that you have found this video useful and you have learned a lot in this video. So that's all in this video, guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.